Good afternoon. I'm Sharon Reed, the Director of Hamlin County Services for the Helen McNabb Center. And I'd like to welcome you to the celebration of the first graduating class of CIT officers. CIT stands for Crisis Intervention Team, and it is a nationally recognized model for training for officers and mental health professionals to work together. And I can tell you, just getting to know them this week, we are in good hands. These are really bright, eager people, and they really have a compassion for helping others. So it's just been a joy to work with them this week. I'd like to introduce Jerry Wagner. He is the President and CEO of the Helen McNabb Center.
Thank you, Sharon. It is a proud day for our community here, and it's a proud day for Helen McNabb. We are a nonprofit organization providing mental health and addiction services, social services, and one of the things that we do is partner up with communities just like we have in this CIT training this week. So we're just as happy as we can be to be a part of this process. We've had terrific partners with the Chief of Police and his department, the Sheriff's Department, and all they do for the community, and then obviously the mayors here who've been supportive of the process. We're grateful for their leadership, and we have lots to look forward to in this community.
Next, I'd like to introduce Chief Roger Overholt to come and give us some opening remarks.
I just wanted to take a moment and to thank everyone who is here to help us recognize the efforts of these law enforcement men and women. I also want to thank the community partners who conducted the training and will be part of the crisis intervention team. For many years as law enforcement officers, you would hear the statement, "The system doesn't work," when we were dealing with people who maybe had mental or emotional challenges. It is our belief that the crisis intervention team concept is a way for law enforcement to be proactive when dealing with individuals who need a system which often was beyond our capabilities to provide. It's never about the challenge that law enforcement is given. It is about what does the officer bring to the challenge. This training and team approach increases our abilities greatly. And I personally commend these officers who completed the training and will receive recognition today as a member of the Crisis Intervention Team, which is here to serve our local communities. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Next, we'll hear from Kim Morrison, Assistant District Attorney.
Thank you, men and women that take care of our community problems and your willingness to participate in a program like we have today. Why is it important for us to consider this? It's so that these men and women can go out and help others. I know we've all seen the car. It says to protect and to serve on the side. And they do a great job protecting. They do a great job. But they also do a good job serving. But to serve others, we have to know what their problems are. And we see it every day. They see it more than you and I see it. Society's recognizing it. The DA's conference, we went back in October. We're now recognizing that jail alone does not work. For people with mental illness, for people with drug addiction, we have to have a program such as this and officers trained such that they can deal with that.